Forging is a manufacturing process which consists on shaping metal using compressive forces. Despite the common knowledge, forging can be performed in cold as well in warm or hot temperatures. The heat applied is used to reduce the molecular rigidity of the material without making it a liquid. When we hear about this mechanical process, lots of things can come to our minds, from small pieces to huge instruments, but one in particular is so common that it might even have become unnoticeable for us. We are talking about the fancy fences which are created using this process. The first step is to prepare the pattern that will be used to achieve the desired structures. This kind of forging, which is often called artistic forging, is conducted applying some heat to the material in order to reduce the effort of the blacksmith, even though using instruments capable of exerting such forces is also common, as you can see in the video.
A trencadís is a mosaic made with pieces of ceramic or other materials like glass, stones or marble. The origin of trencadís was at the modernism, driven by Antonio Gaudí and his disciples. Nowadays, it's used to decorate the streets, parks or houses. The main park where there are a lot of trencadís is the parkway. First of all, you have to decide if you want to do a spontaneous throw or a specific one. If you want to do a spontaneous one, you don't have to do a previous trencadís on a paper, and you can put the pieces of ceramic wherever you want. But if you want to make a specific trencadís, you have to draw it on a paper to know where you have to put each piece of ceramic. Then, you have to cut the ceramic with a circular mechanical saw in many pieces.
Advice: using the same kind of saw used to cut trees is not recommended.
The ceramic has to be plain and, if you want, of vivid colors. The trencadís uses to be colorful, so you have to use ceramic of different colors. Cut the ceramic or the other material with caution and protect your eyes with glasses when you are doing it. Finally, you have to paste the pieces of ceramic with a type of strong glue on a plain surface. There can be a little space between each piece, but not a lot. When you finish filling the entire surface, you will have a wonderful and colorful trencadís.
Create a base with 5 long reeds vertically on a flat surface, carefully with 5 more horizontally, in and out of the vertical ones. Then adjust the reeds. Bend up the corners of the basket, securing them tightly. Using more reeds, weave them in and out of the vertical ones, like the first step. When you reach the end of a reed, tuck it securely on the inside of the basket. Repeat this process until you have 3 or 4 inches remaining sticking out of the top. Cut the reeds to make the edge smooth, leaving at least 1 inch sticking out of the top. Tuck and secure them inside the basket. To do the handle, grab 2 or 3 reeds and fold them with a semicircle form. And that's the process to make a basket.